Okay, so hello. So I have here a presentations on database and database management systems, and today we will be diving into some key concepts including the importance of database, different types of database, and how a DBMS help in efficient data storage and the components of a database system. Okay, so first thing first is what is a database? So, a database is an organized collection of data that can be easily accessed, managed, and updates. It allows for efficient storage, retrieval, and management of large amounts of data. So, database help in efficient data storage, easy data retrieval, structured organization for better decision making, and ensuring data consistency and security. So a database is essentially an organized collection of data. Think of it like a digital filing cabinet where information is stored in an orderly way, making it easier to access, manage, and updates. Databases are crucial for business and organizations to store large volumes of data in a way that is efficient and easily accessible. And without them, managing data will be much chaotic. Okay? So, what is a data why is a database important in managing and organizing data? So, we have data integrity to ensure that the data is accurate and consistent. Scalability, which can handle large amount of data efficiently. Security, which provide access control and ensure sensitive data is protected. And concurrency, so multiple users can access and modify data seamlessly without issues. So database provide several key benefits. They show data integrity, which means data is accurate and reliable. They can scale to they can scale to handle massive amounts of data, and they provide security by controlling who can access and modify data. They all allow multiple users to work with seamlessly without causing issues like data corruptions. So, let's go to type of database. So, we have the relational database, RDBMS, and examples are MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Oracle. So, this stores data in tables, uses structured query language or SQL for data manipulations. So no SQL database. So like MongoDB, Cassandra, and Redis. So these are non-tabular database. Stores data in various formats like key value pairs, documents, or graphs. Objected object-oriented database like DB4O that stores data as objects similar to how it represented in object-oriented programming languages, and hierarchical database, each IBM IMS. So this data is stored in a tree-like structure. So database can be categorized in different ways. The most common types are relational database, which stores data in tables and use SQL queries. Then we also have the NoSQL database, which are more flexible and store data in format like key value pairs or documents. We have also have the oriented and the hierarchical database, which each suited for specific use and cases. So we have the data management system DBMS overview. So what is a DBMS? A DBMS is a software that allows for the creation, management, and manipulation of database. It acts as an intermediary between users and database. So key features are data storage, which efficient storage and retrieval of data. So they have good handlings that supports queries for retrieving data. We have a transaction management that ensures that multiple transactions are processed correctly and securely. And data security, which controls user access and maintains the integrity of data. So a DBMS is a software that manages database. It acts as an interface between users and the database, helping store, retrieve data, and manage data. It also ensures data security, integrity, and consistency. So essentially, it makes managing large amounts of data simpler and more efficient. So, how a DBMS help in store and retrieving data efficiently? Okay, so efficient storage, indexing helps in faster data retrieval, normalizations reduces data redundancy by organizing in a structured way, compressions reduce the size for data for faster storage and efficient retrieval. Query optimization ensure that data is retrieved in the most efficient way, and caching. Frequently accessed data is stored in memory for a quick retrieval. So, like it says, a DMB, a DBMS, right? A DBMS makes data retrieval much faster in a way, much faster through techniques like indexing and query optimization. They also minimize data redundancy through normalizations. If you ever use a search engine or an online store, you've seen a DBMS in actions help you quickly find your informations. So, slide 7, which is key components of a database system. So, database engines handles the physical storage of data and manage query processing. Database schema defines the structure of the data, tables, relationship, query, sticky keys. And query processors interpret execute queries, manager ensures the integrity of transaction RC. Database administration or the DBA manage the overall database, ensuring optimal performance, security, and backup. Okay, so every database system has a few components. The database engine, which handles storage and query processing. The schema, which defines the structure of the data. Query processors, which handle queries. And the transaction manager, which ensure data consistency. And the database administrator, who oversees the system's operation. Okay, so let's go to slide 8. Relational versus NoSQL database. So, a relational database, RDB versus a NoSQL database. So, relational database uses a structured format, store data in tables, and are great for applications where data consistency and relationship between different data elements are important. NoSQL database, on the other hand, offer flexibility and scalability, making them ideal for application with unstructured or rapidly changing data like social media, platform, or real-time analytics. So in summary and conclusions, okay, so database are essential for efficiently organizing and managing data. DBBMS provide the tools necessary for storing and retrieving data securely. The type of database you choose depends on the needs of your application, whether it's a relational database or a NoSQL system. So I hope that answers all the assessments. So the assessments questions are: what is a database and why it's important in managing and organizing data. Number 2 is: what are the different type of database and how they differ from each others. Number 3 is: how does a database manage system help in storing and retrieving data efficiently. Number 4, what are the key components of a database system and what role do they play? And 5, how are the relationship database different from SQL database and where are they commonly used? So, thanks for watching.